Let's go over how to change automated texts your customers get when they check in. To get to the screen, go to the Loyalty section and click the gear icon below your name. You want to be on the Customer Notification section of the Loyalty settings. Here you can see all the different messages your customers can get. The text when they get registered, the text they get when they check in, and the text when a customer redeems a reward. You can edit how frequently they get a message when checking in. To edit the frequency, click this little button here. They can get these after their first and every certain number of check-ins. This depends on you and your business, but you can change it to match your business type. Different messages will be sent depending on if and what loyalty reward the customer can redeem. You can also have check-in messages even without a loyalty program. There is also a message for when customers redeem a loyalty reward. To fine-tune one of these messages, click Edit next to the one you want to change. Words in brackets are what we call variables. They pull info from the system and are dynamic. Let's edit this message to say, the next time you visit, show this message to Sandy to get your reward. After finishing, click Save Changes.